Hey you guys! Today we're doing drastic life decisions and we are going to be dyeing my hair like a cute little burgundy red. So I'm super duper excited just because I've never done this before and I feel like I needed to switch up, you know, the seasons are changing and I'm not going to lie, I felt the seasonal depression like creeping in and I felt like this year want to try to avoid that as much as possible. So just things to make me happy, things to spice up my life, things to make things more exciting, to avoid all of that. But I wanted to come on and just let you guys know, bring you guys to the process of me dyeing my hair. I'm not going to be doing any bleach. I'm just going to be using developer and the hair dye. So I'm going to be using the Clairol permanent dye in Burgundy and Cyclamen, I think. I don't know. But the actual thing is 5RV and 6RV. So I'm gonna be combining these two. And I'm gonna be using the 30 volume developer by Clairol. But my hair is like this natural brown color, so hopefully it lifts. But I just wanted to take you guys on the journey. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, definitely like, comment, subscribe. And I will see you guys when she's finished. Okay, so for the measurements for the dye, I ended up doing the full bottle of the Burgundy. And if you guys haven't dyed hair before, it's usually 1 part dye, 2 parts developer. So a fun hack for that is basically take the bottle that you just poured the dye out of and pour the developer into that bottle to make sure that it's equal proportions. So I just add 2 of those, and then I decided to go in with only half of the bottle of Cyclamen. So I did half of the dye and then 1 full bottle of developer. After you add those in, you want to mix it all together to the point where it kind of gives you like a ketchup like consistency. I don't know any other way to explain it, but you want it to look like that. And I did get my sister to dye my hair because I was being lazy, so she's parting it out. And one thing, a PSA to anybody who is dyeing their hair, this was my first time like officially dyeing my natural hair on my head a lighter color. And keep in mind, if you are doing that, you want to start with the bottom half of your hair first and then go to the roots. I did not know that. That was a mistake that we both made today. And the reason being is that 1, my root hair is virgin hair. This is the first time I've gone lighter, not darker. So the bottom of my hair had residual dark dye on it, which makes it already harder to lift. But also the hair closest to your scalp is retaining a lot more heat from your head, which makes it develop faster. So that means if you are putting the dye on your roots first, it is going to dye a lot quicker and it is going to create like an uneven dye of your overall hair, if that makes sense. You guys are going to see it in a second. I do explain it in the next clip, but just keep that in mind. If you are dyeing your hair, do not dye your roots first. Okay, you guys, so update on my hair. Only my roots really lifted. Love the color of the roots. Like, this is what I wanted. But my bottom of my hair just like didn't do anything. I really don't want to use bleach on my hair just because my hair is already so fine. I'm just nervous that it'll break off. So I'm going to try to go in one more time today with the 30 developer and the dye. I'm going to use a blow dryer once it's in there to try to like speed up the developing process and hope for the best. So now, as you guys see, I'm about to start blow drying my hair. This is after the second round of dyeing. I did the exact same method as the first time, and I'm going in with the Foxy Bay blowout brush just to blow out my hair, as well as some rosemary water that really just helps like with hair growth and everything. I will say towards the end of this video, I was kind of like disappointed. So I didn't really film an outro because it just wasn't exactly what I thought it was going to be. I wanted it to be way more vibrant than it was. But like realistically, if you're not using bleach on your hair, it can only lift so much the first time you do it. So just keep that in mind. If you don't want to damage your hair, it is going to take a few times for it to get the true bright, vibrant color that you're looking for. But I will say, from this being my first time dyeing it, I've gotten so many compliments on my hair and so many different people asking what I did and what I used. So it genuinely didn't come out as bad as I thought it did. At the end of this, I'm also going to show you guys some before and after pictures just so you guys can really get a gist of the dark to light. But yeah, this is the final result for right now. I am going to re-dye it for my birthday. So I'm going to show you guys like a root touch up and just how to make it more vibrant in a few videos after this. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys in my next one.